Welcome back to my channel, dear friends. Today we are going to learn another lesson. Let's start. A dog, egg. Raw egg, red. The bag is red. No, net. This is a net. Fed. I fed my cat. Pet. She has a pet cat. Jet. I can see a jet. I can see a jet. Bed. My bed is red. Wet. Wet. The newlywed couple arrived. Led. He led a tour in the area. Ted. The Ted is very funny. Met. Sarah met her friends. Wet. The baby gets wet. Man. The man went to walk in the park. Hen. A hen lays eggs. Pen. My pen is blue. Ten. I see 10 stars. Dear friends, thank you for watching. For getting more videos, please subscribe my channel.